In this video, we will explore the machine learning service known as the GL Outlier detection in Sage Intacct. This service is designed to proactively identify transactional errors by analyzing historical transaction patterns in the approval process. So this would apply when you are raising a transaction directly from the GL and it goes for approval. So when it's on that stage, that's when the machine learning will effectively detect anomalies and outliers in the transaction data.
So we're going to start off by enabling the GL Outlier detection. Go to Applications, Company, Admin, Subscriptions. On the subscriptions page, you'll see AI machine learning. It will enable the machine learning. Mine is already enabled. And enable the data services. On the outlier detection section, you will enable for general ledger approval, you apply detection and add the email address. You save. The status will be pending, and once the status is on ready, then it means the feature is available for you to use. Once you've enabled the outlier detection, then you go to general ledger to define the outliers. Go to general ledger configurations, and you scroll down to the approval section and you enable the journal entry approval. If you don't have approvals, select the admin approver and the journals that you want approvals for if you want the outlier assistant. So on the outlier detection customization, this is where you define which journals you want the outlier detection to evaluate. I have the accounts payable and the payroll journal that will go for evaluation, and save your changes. Once you've enabled and configured your outlier detection, you submit your journal entry as normal. I'm going to look at the June 24. So this is the journal entry that I've already submitted, and when I go to history, it's still waiting to be approved. I'm going to go to the approved journal entry page, and if I'm going to take a look at the journal entries that are waiting to be approved, and this is the approval page where the journal entry transactions are waiting to be approved, I'm going to view the accounts payable journal that was submitted, and I have an additional column for outlier, and this is where it will state the outlier detection. I have a dash on both my entries, meaning that no outliers has been detected in this transaction, but you can have an exclamation, meaning that the entry line has an outlier, or it can be empty. That will mean that the transaction hasn't been evaluated. And you can use this functionality to gain continuous insight on your transactions. It will improve accuracy in your journal entries, and that is how you would enable and use the GL Outlier detection in Sage Intacct.